In a historic move, Northern California voters have recalled a judge from office over a controversial sentencing decision. The Associated Press projects that nearly 60% of voters in Santa Clara County chose to remove Judge Aaron Persky. He's the first California judge to be recalled in 86 years. Persky was targeted for giving a short jail sentence to Brock Turner, a former Stanford University swimmer convicted of sexual assault with the intent to commit rape. John Blackstone is in Palo Alto, California, with reaction to the vote. John, good morning.
Good morning. Well, this case drew outrage from around the world, but the recall raised questions of judicial independence. Now, the final vote tally won't be in for days, probably, but as soon as the counting started last night, the trend was obvious. Judge Persky was likely to lose his job here at the Santa Clara County Superior Court.
Women are standing up and saying enough is enough.
It was a night of victory for Stanford law professor Michelle Dauber, who led a campaign for nearly 2 years to remove Judge Aaron Persky from the bench.
Sexual violence and violence against women is a voting issue.
Dauber harnessed widespread anger over Persky's sentencing of Brock Turner. Turner was freed from county jail after serving just 3 months of his 6-month sentence for sexually assaulting a woman following a fraternity party at Stanford. Her searing statement about the impact of sexual assault was read to Turner in court and widely shared.
I accept responsibility for every decision that I've made as a judge.
In his only television interview before the recall vote, Persky defended the sentence. You did have some idea before you passed the sentence that it would be a controversial sentence.
Yes. And by my ethical constraints, by the rule of law, I had to completely tune that out.
Persky's supporters insisted judges should not be held hostage to public opinion.
This recall is a very serious threat to judicial independence.
Retired Superior Court Judge Ladoris Cordell campaigned to keep Persky on the bench.
They're targeting a judge with no history or track record of bias who did nothing wrong and made a lawful decision, and they have succeeded in taking his job away.
But Dauber stands by her campaign. Tuesday night, she ended it with the words Turner's victim read in court.
To girls everywhere, we are with you. On nights when you feel alone, we are with you.
Cordell said she spoke with Persky last night, and while he's disappointed with the outcome, he's doing okay. She said he's a licensed lawyer and he can practice law. But she worries that this vote sends a message to judges everywhere that if you do your job and people don't like it, you could be fired. John?
John Blackstone, thanks.